This is Obi1K21. This is my YouTube channel, Show Me Drones. Here I am doing my introduction of the new DJI Mavic 3. Yes, the DJI Mavic 3 is finally out. It's been flying around. There's been a lot of YouTubers, content creators filming and doing some awesome creative videos describing the DJI Mavic 3 and the DJI Mavic 3 Cine, which is the top of the line in this new foldable drone. I'm going to be talking to you about some of the things that you already seen on YouTube videos, but from my perspective, how awesome is this drone? This is a Mavic 3, and we'll be talking more about this drone and the footage that I have taken around the area where I live here in Kansas City, Missouri. And hopefully this is something that interests you. And if you are in the fence about purchasing a drone, whether you are starting off or you are upgrading a current drone that you have, this is definitely an awesome alternative. Yes, the DJI Mavic 3 is here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. The Mavic 3 brings some interesting updates to meet the drone market and followers' wishes. I will start off by highlighting key features of this professional drone. The Mavic 3 is the only foldable drone in the market with a Micro Four Thirds sensor, surpassing its predecessor, the Mavic 2 Pro, and any other foldable drone in the market as of 2021. In addition, the Mavic 3 is including a 1/2-inch sensor zoom lens that can capture up to 7x of optical zoom and up to 28x of digital zoom. The lenses, and specifically the MFT camera, will strengthen the drone's pilot's workflow as they are capturing 5.1K videos and 20 megapixel photo. There is no other foldable drone that can do that with such a sensor. I am making this statement without counting what Autel and Hubsan have in store for 2022. Another area the Mavic 3 is leading the pack is battery use on a foldable drone. The Mavic 3 can fly 46 minutes in ideal conditions. We all know that realistically it might fly anywhere between 37 to 40 minutes depending on weather conditions. During my first flights, I got between 37 to 39 minutes of flight by the time I was returning the drone back home. The Mavic 3 dethroned the Autel Evo 2 series when it comes to flight time. The Evo 2 can fly up to 40 minutes in ideal conditions, but those of us who have the Evo 2 know that in reality it's more like 30 to 35 minutes. The aesthetics of the Mavic 3 drone are very impressive, and it has been very fun to fly this drone. The drone is slightly bigger than the Mavic 2 drone, but surprisingly lighter. The drone has longer front legs angled in a way providing the big Micro Four Thirds sensor better ground clearance. The drone is extremely fast, ascending and descending, and can reach up to 46 to 47 miles of horizontal speed while on sport mode. The gimbal remains rock solid at higher speed with excellent camera stability and maintaining its smoothness in sport mode. The drone is a powerhouse and will help drone pilots be more effective in the video and photo workflows.